Starting with one of the most powerful and versatile tools on our list today, the Wagner PowerTex is the ideal tool to have for construction, remodeling, and home improvement projects. Being one of the most unique tools that will blow your mind, it can spray various materials, including drywall mud, joint compound, and texture paints. This tool is a go-to choice for creating textured finishes on walls, ceilings, and other surfaces. One of the most cool tools for painters, experts, and DIY enthusiasts, its nozzles can be easily adjusted to control the size and direction of the spray, providing greater flexibility and control over the desired finish. Whether you're aiming for a popcorn, orange peel, knockdown, or any other textured finish, the Wagner PowerTex easily delivers professional-grade results. The tool can be cleaned up easily and comes at a reasonable price of $112. Moving ahead, we have plenty of amazing tools that every DIY enthusiast would want in their locker. The Mini Grinder Trade 1000W is a powerful and compact grinding tool designed for various cutting, grinding, and polishing applications. With its robust 1000-watt motor, this tool offers high performance and efficiency in a portable package. The Mini Grinder Trade 1000W is easy to handle and move even in tight areas because it only weighs 2.4 kilograms. It has a soft grip and a flexible design that makes it easier to use for longer periods. The kit includes several discs, including a diamond and a grinding disc, and it also features a nozzle for connecting a vacuum cleaner hose. With a kilowatt of power and speeds of 19,500 RPM, it can easily cut through different materials, such as metal, stone, tiles, and concrete. This versatile tool comes for $379. Have you ever experienced a leaking roof? It can be quite embarrassing when you're sitting with someone. However, with our next tool on the list today, you can ensure no leaks occur. This innovative tool can efficiently measure the moisture level of your roofs, alerting you of a potential leak. This advanced scanner accurately measures and identifies moisture levels and conditions within various building materials. It employs capacitance technology, which measures the electrical impedance between the sensors and the material to determine the moisture levels. No testing is required. You only need to mop it around the roof and see the meter below for results. Its intuitive interface is an easy-to-read moisture content display, which makes it user-friendly. It can be configured to different roof types as it contains 3 sensitivity ranges. It weighs 10 kilograms and can cover an area of 9,300 square meters in a single day. All of these features come for $8,000. Do you know there are almost 16,000 golf courses in the USA? And maintaining them requires great effort and care? One of the tools coming ahead makes this possible. This interesting sod removal cutter is perfect for small repair jobs on any grass height. The blades of the sod stripper are designed to penetrate the soil and sever the roots, allowing for the easy lifting and removal of the sod. It can be used to create perfect golf parks and can also be used for DIY gardening projects. Removing the existing sod provides a clean surface for further work and prevents the growth of unwanted grass or weeds. It saves time and effort compared to alternative methods, such as manual digging or a mechanical sod cutter. Depending on your use, we can adjust the cutting depth from 1.6 to 2.5 centimeters. Perfect for any length of grass, this side stripper is available for $535. Our next tool can be a lifesaver for people in the concrete industry, as they can save their clients plenty of dollars with this one. This rotor jet is a great tool for concrete workers as it can improve the concrete blocks effortlessly. It can be used for various operations, including surface preparation, cleaning, and maintenance tasks that require the removal of tough coatings, debris, or contaminants. The Masterjet system features a robust pump capable of generating extremely high water pressure. This pressure, combined with specialized nozzles and accessories, allows for efficient and thorough cleaning of various surfaces, including concrete, metal, pipes, tanks, and more. It can help remove stubborn deposits and restore surfaces to their original condition. There can be a range of nozzle quantities, and the speed can be controlled easily by sliding the cover. Let's take a break from the construction industry and see this innovative tool for people who work in the cable industry. This handy tool is a shear specifically designed for cutting through various materials, such as metal sheets, wires, cables, and other similar applications. The shears are known for their durability, precision, and high cutting capacity. Measuring 31 centimeters in length and weighing 800 grams, these shears come with an ergonomic handle and easy grip. This is a professional level tool, and that's the reason for its high price, which is $236. We have some more professional tools coming up later, including a one-of-a-kind wrench that any professional will love to have. This ingenious award-winning drilling technology aims to solve aerospace assembly problems. The targeting unit's use of ultrasonic technology to detect hole locations on the exterior fuselage is a noteworthy feature. This technology enables precise measurement and alignment, ensuring accurate hole placement during assembly. Another valuable aspect is the drilling unit's ability to lock onto the target and automatically drill the final hole without damaging the surface. This feature enhances the speed and accuracy of the drilling process, reducing the risk of errors or damage. The tool weighs around 2 kilograms and measures around 22.5*6 centimeters. Still just a concept, we never know when this technology will become a reality. Let's get into our next tool, which is a must-have for people working in the woodworking industry. This is a specialized cutting tool designed for woodworking applications. It's commonly used to create decorative edges and profiles on various types of wood, such as furniture, cabinets, trim, and other woodworking projects. The shape of the bit allows it to remove material in a precise and controlled manner, producing smooth and consistent rounded or beaded edges on the wood. The tool comes with a 6mm shank and matching diameter. A set of 6 cutters come for $279. Now as we head into the top 5 tools on our list today, it's time to showcase the very best, as we've been saving the best till the very end. This is a special tool designed for lifting and replacing doors. The Turheber, which translates to door lifter in English, is specifically designed to lift heavy doors, such as solid wood or metal doors, with ease and precision. It consists of a sturdy frame with handles and adjustable mechanisms that allow for controlled lifting and positioning of the door. The basic model can carry loads of up to 120 kilograms, while the advanced model can lift up to 200 kilograms. This is made of nickel metal and is adjustable to accommodate doors of different sizes and weights. So get this tool and simplify your work by reducing strain on your back. Get ready, as we have another professional tool lined up for you. Professionals can install ground wire and molding on utility poles by using this premium tool. The staples come at a size of 5 by 2.5 centimeters. The tool can hold up to 35 to 50 staples simultaneously, which is enough to complete a single pole. The tool is made up of steel and aluminum and weighs around 2 kilograms. It contains a built-in ruler that provides an easy way to measure the spacing of staples and a jam to release or remove bent staples. The staple holder automatically loads the next staple for smooth operation. Packed with loads of features, the price of this is high as well, as the stapler alone costs $150 and $172 for a pack of 480 staplers. Moving into the top 3, we still have a unique style wrench and a durable ladder to come. This is the only length seal you'd need for pipes, as it offers trouble-free installation and a guaranteed watertight and gas-tight seal. The PGKD pipe seal uses a visual installation control system, eliminating the need for a torque wrench during installation. Once installed correctly, the PGKD pipe seal does not require additional retightening. The PGKD pipe seal is designed to provide a gas-tight and watertight seal, capable of withstanding pressures of up to 5 bar. The PGKD pipe seal is offered with a choice of EPDM or NBR rubber material. These can be installed on pipes with an outside diameter of 41 centimeters. The price is available on request. This is the ideal wrench for people who love precision and accuracy. Featuring a digital display that allows for easy and accurate torque readings, the digital display provides real-time torque measurements, enabling users to apply the required torque to fasteners precisely. One of the key features of these torque wrenches is their ability to provide both audible and visual alerts when the desired torque levels reach. It offers torque values from 10 to 340 Newton meters, and you can preset 9 different torque values. This wrench also features a built-in gyroscope for added convenience and has an accuracy of plus or minus 2%. You can get this wrench for a price of $428. Coming down to the number 1 tool on our list today, we have an impressive stepladder that's nothing like the ordinary ones we've used before. This may seem like a normal stepladder at first glance, but it has tons of features in reality. This American company's even named the ladder Fortress, and it's priced at $384. What makes a ladder worth this much? This one's made of fiberglass material and comes with a 1-year warranty. Weighing 13 kilograms, it can support a maximum weight of 170 kilograms. It contains an innovative tool tray at the top, automatic flaps, and a clever last step that emits a beep when stepped on. The extra large standing platform has a gated wraparound cage that automatically closes when you walk within, ensuring you're safe like in a fortress. As we come to the end of our incredible tools, remember to stay cool and stay curious. Until then, happy tooling!